Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've done any tank videos or tank related material. Coming to you with a brand new 15-gallon innovative marine tank. Gonna be doing this one a start to finish build. I know in my last videos I had the 25-gallon, ended up going away for school, had to leave it alone with the family for a while, ended up selling it, switching over to a 40, but we're working with the 15-gallon today. Just got this one in the other day. This is brand new from the factory. Got some equipment in here already. We're gonna add some sand and rock later and a little bit of water, get it started. The goal is to get everything switched over from my little 5-gallon flue ball tank here that I have with my clownfish. Bunch of GSP and some other, cheaper softy corals. But ultimately, get them switched over in this, little bit more room, add some more rock and coral potentially. But I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough on this build. Everything that I am using, I have basically purchased off of Amazon besides the tank itself. So everything from the protein skimmer, cooling fans, the power head, even my light here, everything's coming off of Amazon. I got a few extra things, temperature controller wise. I'm not going to put a heater on this tank just because it's so hot inside this building that I'm in for this one. So more so going to be focused on cooling, but we'll give you, some step-by-step updates here as we get going with this one, and hopefully over the next couple of years we'll get some updates and some nice build outs on this one. So just kind of getting started with the equipment. I got everything kind of here that I'm putting in this tank, and like I said, everything I pretty much ordered off of Amazon. I'll provide links for everything on here, but I kind of went the cheaper route with most of the stuff. Kind of looked at some of the forums, see what people were using as far as protein skimmers. This is one I actually haven't used before, the Bubble Magus. It's a MiniQ, so we'll give that one a go, give it some time to break in before we move anything over. But as far as the other tanks go, still using the Inkbird temperature controllers. I love them. They have the heater and the cooling function on there. It's kind of just a dual built-in feature that they have. As far as power heads, this is just another cheaper one I saw on Amazon. It does have a controller on it, which is kind of nice. So you can put it into feeding modes to see. That's not going to focus. I'll show you another video later, but feeding mode, variable speed, kind of plug and play. Very simple, but pretty nice little quality build. I got myself a cooling fan on here, and then of course I got the CaribSea sand. So I'm going to go ahead and get started today. I'm going to put the sand in, we'll put some rock in, we'll get some water going, kind of get everything running, and then I'll give you another walkthrough on kind of all this equipment. But just wanted this to kind of be an introduction into the this tank build. I do, like I said, I don't have the 25-gallon anymore, but I do have a 40 that kind of took its place. It's another innovative marine tank, so I can always do updates on that tank, as we go on. But just to get us back started, we'll start with the fresh tank. All brand new equipment, all stuff, everything with the exception of the light. This I bought a couple months ago. Unfortunately, it's been discontinued since then, but I'll still provide some information on that. I just kind of want a cheaper route on this tank, and eventually, like I said, we can upgrade some of this stuff, but just to get us started, this is where we're at. So follow for updates.